Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, chapter 2, CQ1. And my dear student, this class is very important because at the end of the class, I will give SW3. Let's come to the point. Class will be 6, your class 6, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic chapter 2, CQ1, term annual, lecture 4, SW3. Teacher Ariful Islam, messenger, and this is my phone number. Okay, so my dear students, let's come to the point. We will do today CQ1, but before going to the creative questions, we need to know the creative questions of all. First of all, number A. This question is called the knowledge-based questions. So we can also call it skills or cognitive. In these questions, a direct question is given in the exam. Okay, and for answering these questions, you have to memorize a lot of information from the text. You have to remember a lot of information from the text, and you have to answer the questions in one or two more words. You can also but you had better answer the questions in a sentence. So knowledge based questions, mark number 1. Number B question is called the analytical questions, or we can also call it understanding. So what is analytical questions? Analytical means the ability of understanding the meaning or significance. The students have to answer the questions by understanding of their own words. So no direct answer is given in the text. So you have to understand first, and then you have to write the answers. So come here please. In analytical questions, you have to write knowledge 1 mark is given in knowledge, and analytical 1, 2 marks. And you can write the answer of the questions in 3 sentences. You can write the highest 5 sentences. Okay. Next one, number C is called the application. Number C question is called the application questions. What is application questions? Application question is by understanding a known thing or information of the text, the students have to apply it to a different new situations. This is called applications. In this question, the students can show the similarities and dissimilarities. Okay. In these questions, you have to write 1 mark for knowledge and 1 mark for analytical, and 1 mark for applications. So you can write the answer of these questions within 12 sentences. Okay. Next one is number D is called the higher ability skills. So in these questions, higher ability skills, the same of applications first 3. By understanding the known thing or given information of the text, the students have to apply it to a different situation, new situations or different situations, and at last he or she the students have to come to decisions by analyzing, by explaining, by evaluating, by descriptions. Okay, this is called the higher ability skills. So in these questions, the students can give their opinion, can give their judgment, the students can give their, they agree or disagree. Okay, they give their own judgment. Okay, so in these questions, look at the marks: knowledge 1 mark, analytical 1 mark, application 1 mark, and higher ability 1 mark. So you can write the answer of this question within 15 sentences. So let me clear one thing: A and B. For answering question number A and B, you do not need to follow the STEM. But for answering question number C and D, you have to follow the STEM. If you do not follow the STEM, if you do not relate the STEM with the text, with the information of the text, your answer will be incorrect. So for answering C and D, you have to follow the STEM. For answering A and B, you do not need to follow the STEM. So let's creative question 1, scenario 1. Mitu's class teacher was showing a video in the class. There was that people were growing various kind of food grains by utilizing river water. Having food sufficiency, they made wheeled carts using their knowledge. They changed their conditions building houses in a new way. Scenario 2, Rafi along with all his villagers dug small drains to solve the problem of waterlogging and made connections with large drains. He started using dustbins at particular places to stop indiscriminate disposal of waste. So, number A question is, where is the most ancient monument of Bangladesh situated? Very easy questions. They come to the answer. The answer will be, the most ancient monument of Bangladesh is situated in Norsingdi district. I am repeating again, the most ancient monument of Bangladesh is situated in Norsingdi district. Number B, why are the ancient Buddhist bearers compared with residential universities? Okay, what will be the answer? We will write knowledge 1 and analytical 1 for 2 marks, and you can write the analytical first or knowledge later, or knowledge first, analytical later, no problem. So in the second urban civilization, there were many prosperous cities where commercial and cultural institutions were made. Ancient Buddhist bearers was one of them. So this is called the knowledge, and it was used and made of ancient bricks and lime which looked like residential universities or modern civilizations. Okay. Next, number C. What are called the changes that Mitu worst in video explain? So you have to follow the stem first. What Mitu worst, and then you have to write the answer. Okay. So come to the answer. In the scenario, we can see the changes of civilization. In ancient time, people used to cultivate land and produce various kind of food grains. They also used to build houses by their own. So we are connecting the stem to the text. They did not have any modern technologies. They used to do all things by their own. But now, people use different methods for cultivation. Besides, they made wheeled carts using their knowledge. They changed their conditions, building houses in new way. These changes came into their life because of the change of civilization. With the changing time, people get to know about technologies and using this in their life. So my dear students, you do not need to follow my answers blindly. Your answers might be different, your sentence structure might be different. Okay? So your SW homework will be, homework 3 will be submit on Sunday. Chapter 2, Bangladesh and World Civilization. This will be not CBQ, this will be CQ1D. So you will write the answer CQD. Okay, following the higher ability skills, knowledge 1, analytical 1, application 1, and higher ability 1. But total 4 marks. So my dear students, do your SW at home, and you have to submit all your SW copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. You will also return back those copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And you know, your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of the SW copies. We are giving 2.5 marks in every SW. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.